Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurmala Indah. Today I will discuss about 21st century teacher. Previously, the 21st century is a very different century from the previous centuries. The extraordinary development of science in all fields in this century, especially in the field of information and communication technology or ECT, which is very sophisticated, make this world increasingly narrow because of the sophistication of ECT technology. Various information from various corners of the world can be accessed instantly and easily, quickly by anyone and from anywhere. Interpersonal communication can be done easily, cheaply, anytime and anywhere. These changes are increasingly felt, including in the world of education. Teachers today face far greater challenges than in previous eras. Teachers face clients who are much more diverse. Subject matter is more complex and difficult. The standard of the learning process and also demands for the achievement of students' thinking abilities are higher. For that, we need teachers who are able to compete, no longer in intelligence but creativity and intelligence to art, hard skill and soft skills. Okay, before continuing on the 21st century teacher, let's listen to opinions of fellow students about what is a 21st century teacher. Let's start.
Pada abad 21 ini, manusia mengalami perkembangan ilmu pengetahuan dalam segala bidang, terutama di bidang informasi dan komunikasi. Jadi menurut saya, guru pada abad 21 ini ditantang untuk melakukan akselerasi terhadap perkembangan informasi dan komunikasi. Jadi guru dituntut untuk bisa menyesuaikan bagaimana pendekatan sekaligus strategi pembelajaran yang sesuai pada perkembangan lingkungan saat ini.
Peran guru dalam abad ke-21 ini seharusnya profesional dan bergeser dari pola penanaman pengetahuan menuju peran sebagai pembimbing, pengaruh diskusi, dan pengukur kemajuan belajar siswa.
Pada abad 21 ini, guru bukan hanya menjadi sosok pembelajar, tetapi harus bisa menjadi agen perubahan di sekolah. Jadi, guru tidak hanya mampu mengajar dan mengelola kegiatan kelas saja, tetapi guru harus bisa membangun hubungan yang efektif antara siswa dan juga sekolah. Jadi, selain itu juga guru harus bisa mengembangkan pengetahuan mengenai teknologinya karena nantinya agar bisa untuk meningkatkan mutu pengajaran.
Guru di abad ke-21 dituntun tidak hanya mampu mengajar dan mengelola kegiatan kelas dengan efektif, namun juga dituntut untuk mampu membangun hubungan yang efektif dengan siswa dan komunitas sekolah, menggunakan teknologi untuk mendukung peningkatan mutu pengajaran.
Karakter guru pada abad 21 ini yang pertama yaitu kolaboratif. Jadi guru harus bisa berkolaborasi yang efektif dengan yang lain agar nantinya bisa menghasilkan praktik-praktik pengajaran yang jauh lebih baik. Kemudian yang kedua, guru harus kreatif. Kemudian yang ketiga, guru harus bisa mempelajari teknologi baru karena dengan teknologi yang baru ini nantinya bisa meningkatkan mutu pengajaran. Kemudian yang keempat, mencintai belajar. Jadi guru harus bisa menyesuaikan bagaimana strategi pembelajaran yang sesuai untuk perkembangan lingkungan saat ini. Jadi bagaimana menerapkan pembelajaran yang lama menjadi cocok diterapkan pada pembelajaran saat ini.
Teachers in the 21st century are very important, especially for the development of students and teachers themselves. Some of its important roles include the first, lifelong learner. What means Technological development are followed by the emergence of new knowledge. Of course, the teacher must understand well the developments of this knowledge, especially those related to the teaching materials taught by the teacher. To be a teacher in the 21st century, it can be said that a teacher must learn to teach. If a teacher does not learn how a teacher asks his student to learn. And the second, literacy with technological development. Teachers in 21st century must be able to use technological optimally in helping, not burdening, the educational process carried out by teachers. Now, there are many applications that can be used by teachers to help teachers in facilitating in learning process. With this, of course, the use of this technology will bring the learning process toward 21st century education. And the third, able to explore the potential of students. What means? Teachers in 21st century teachers are not only able to share knowledge, but must be able to explore the potential of their students. So far, in our education, we have not paid much attention because teachers only focus on knowledge alone. Teacher can apply learning methods that are varied or not monotonous. An example, applying the STEAM or science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics methods in the learning process so the teacher as facilitator can more easily map the potential that exists in their student. The fourth, teaching without classroom boundaries. The learning process is not only limited to classroom, but the teacher must be able to mediate students to be able to learn anytime and anywhere. This can be done with the help of technology, such as by using applications that make it easier for students to access the material being studied or to be studied by students, such as using applications based on LMS or Learning Management System, such as Edmodo, Schoology, Google Classroom, and other applications. And the five, creative and innovative. This role is very important to teachers in 21st century. Teachers must be able to manage learning creatively and innovatively so that students are interested in the subject matter to be studied. Teacher must be able to make instructional design that can accommodate the learning needs of students, starting for a perception, delivery of material, assessment, and to evaluation of the learning process. So, to be a teacher is in 21st century teacher, there is no need to feel afraid and worried in facing the present and facing disruption in education, in world of education. Becoming an adaptive learning teacher is a challenge to continue to be able to spread goodness through education. Change is a necessity that cannot be prevented by its swift current. Wisdom is the key in dealing with real change.